Dude, I'm getting bored of just watching trains go over and over again, dude. I know. Actually, guys, I have something to show you that's really cool. What is it, Cody? Is it your dumb face? Hey, nothing's more dumber than you. That's what you think. Whoa! Whoa! Ugh. This train thing is dumb. I have to show you something. Well, at least it's not dumber than you. Oh! 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 Get wrecked! Get wrecked! Get wrecked! Ow. Okay, so what is it you want us to show us, Jakey? This. Dude, we can't even fit in that. Dude, I can't even fit in that. Look, see? Can't. Dude, it's supposed to be bringing something back from time, but we just need somebody to go in there. Well, it's definitely not one of us. That's why I hired somebody. Hey guys, how you doing? What is his name? His name is Bob, okay? No, my name is not Bob. My name is Toy Hayden. Toy Hayden? Yeah, I'm a Hayden. Okay, get in there. Okay, Jesus freaking Christ. Okay, Ender, what do you want me to bring you? How do you know my name? Jakey told you, for freaking God's sake. So what do you want? Oh, I want you to bring back Baby Mario and Baby Luigi. They don't exist, Ender. Yes, they do. Fine. Then we'll just see. Jakey, what do you want? I want 2 beetles. 2. Okay? Got that? 2. 1 long beetle and 1 fat one. Okay. Dude, can you bring back me, like an old sniper or something? Sure, just let me get in there. We are experiencing technical difficulties. Come on, get in there. We are experiencing technical difficulties. Ow, 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 ow! Okay, are you guys Baby Mario and Baby Luigi? Yeah, we are. Okay, I'm gonna have you come with me. Sir, we can't hear you. Just gotta get all this thing. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have you come with me, guys. Okay, guys. Come on, guys. We'll just be there in like a few seconds. Okay, guys, I'm back. And I got Baby Mario and Baby Luigi. Hello. Hey, how you? Oh my gosh, can I have your autograph? Okay, so, and you want a sniper. Yeah, okay. Okay. Get out. Okay, now time to get the sniper, and hey, BB-8 will be happy. Okay, guys, I got you the BB-8, I got you the sniper. It's awesome. Dude, how can you even hold that? Hold on, let me look through the scope. Oh my god, this is awesome. Yeah. Ooh, what can I see now? I see death. Okay, so I see death. Okay, so let's shoot that way. No! Not my run for mayor thing. Boom! That's it. I'm taking the sniper back. No, I take it back, please. I'll fix it back together. I'll do whatever you want. Whatever I want? No, I'll just put it back together. Okay, fine. I'm finally here. Get out! Okay, did he mean beetle insects or the Beatles from like the movie? So, get off me! Oh, stop biting me! Get off! Get off! Or I'll stomp you to death! Okay. Looks like I'm not gonna stomp you to death. That's sad. Okay, so here's your two beetle thingies. So are you talking about them as pets? Yes, I want them as pets. Come here, little beetles. Beetles love me. Now go on top of there. Okay, so how's these guys been doing? So, hey guys, what do you want to do next? Okay, I guess you guys are having fun. I'll go have my fun myself. Come on. Driving to work. 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 Get out! Freaking God! Why can't I get out? Why can't I get out of my own stupid car? Finally, I'm out. Well, time to make some ice cream at Mr. Freeze's. Hey, where's my assistant? Ooh, back over here. Oh, there you are, Bob. I'm here, bro. I'm here. Okay, so which one of us is going to make the ice cream, and which one of us is going to work the fan up there? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot? Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, crap, I lose. I get to go and make the ice cream. Wait, no. No, dude, you won. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Okay. Get to go do the fan. This is the easiest part of the job. Yeah, boy. Well, looks like I gotta go make the ice cream. The hardest part of the job. Okay, and start it. Come on. Yeah, get that ice cream making. Bob, are you eating all the ice cream again? Nom, 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 nom. Bob, stop eating the ice cream. Stop it. You gotta stop, dude. You gotta really stop. See, look what you did. You ate all of the ice cream. You ate all of the freaking ice cream. What are you gonna do now? Huh? What are we gonna do now? We're not gonna get money and stuff. We're not gonna get money. I have to go to the store and buy some more ice cream. No, our boss has to. You stupid guy. Oh, I knew I should have taken the harder job. That way I wouldn't get eaten all this ice cream. Ow! Ow! You know what? Here's a little move I like to call bye-bye. Why isn't the bye-bye working? Okay. Now the bye-bye should work. Bye-bye. You know what? Just give up this job. I don't care if my boss fires me. Wait. Edgar's gonna love this. Wait, what's inside it? Come on. What? Won't you work? Oh, there it goes. Come on. Oh, does it open? Oh, come on. Yeah. What the crap? Edgar's gonna love this. Ender. Hey, dude, I thought you were doing something else. Yeah, I was doing my job, even though my freaking partner ate all the freaking ice cream. Wait, you working at an ice cream shop? Well, we work at an ice cream maker, and I found these two on the way. Oh my gosh, a Thomas! It's a golden Thomas! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I love this! I'm gonna go play with this right now! Oh my god! Can it go on these tracks? Well, it definitely doesn't move. What about this one? Okay, that one moves. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share. Yep, and leave a question or what you would like us to do next in the comment. By the way, I heard Hayden loves his job. No, I don't. Yeah, you do. No, I don't. Everybody, don't listen to him. Goodbye.